Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm installing the BM SPEC Rear Diffuser on my Mazda 3. This was the last run that Brian made for the 3s before they officially stopped production, which was at the end of July. The install is pretty straightforward. I just finished it. It took me about 2 to 3 hours. This video is going to go over the unboxing of the diffuser and how I installed it, the measurements I took, just all that kind of stuff. Wonderful. I just found out everything I just did was not recorded. So I'll just try and show you guys real quick. So like I was saying, the L bracket goes on like this. This middle piece is gonna be the higher piece. These side fins, they actually go on the inside to bridge this gap, which these are all finger tight right now. So once I tighten them down, it'll all come together. All that's left now is this little steel bar, and I have a concerning amount of nuts left. This is like factory dead weight on the subframe. These guys gotta come off. This little L bracket mounts here. The diffuser is gonna mount in 2 places. You have this little part right here. It's a bumper tab, so this tab just went in there before. You can use it as a mounting point for the front of the diffuser, and there's another one right here. The other thing is that piece I took off from earlier in the video. These are the little L brackets that Brian gives you. I just obviously bolted them in, and then this is the back mounting piece of the splitter. What ended up happening was I measured how long the centerpiece of the diffuser was over there. I measured how long the centerpiece was. It was 27, so half of 27 is 13.5. Well, coincidentally, this hole right here that is pre-drilled is 13.5 inches, right? If you use that hole as the center point and then you measure from here to here, it was about 6.5 inches. Essentially what you want to do is you're gonna have to drill a hole 3.25 inches to the right and to the left from this. So all I'm gonna do now is just measure and make sure that this is perfectly centered, and then I'm gonna go ahead and drill my hole. I made a bunch of marks, did some quick math, got my 2 holes. Now let's go see how it lines up. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. This is why you stay in school, kids. They said math wasn't useful. Oh, man. That's perfect. Holy crap. I don't think I've ever done anything more perfectly in my life. On this part, I'm just popping off those bumper tabs, and then the instructions specify to enlarge those holes to 1/2 inch, so that's what I'm doing here. This is going to be a little harder because I'm going to have to drill straight through the plastic. I'm going to try and do it while it's on the car. I just put the 2 bolts, the other 2 bolts through. I'm going to put a dab of whiteout on each one and then just lift the diffuser, like mock-up mount it, and then wherever I see the whiteout touches, I'm just going to make sure that the 2 points are even, and then that's where I'm going to drill. So we got my whiteout marks. Let's just make sure that they are about even. So I'm going to use this as my reference point. I'm going to use that centerpiece. So it might be a little hard to see, but you can see the spacer here, and then you can see this is the rivet that Brian gives you, and then this is the spacer, goes in between here. You got your washer, and then obviously you have your bolt. So that's it for the install. Don't forget to tighten all the bolts and just make sure everything is even And here are some pictures of it on the car. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. See you later.